Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. We go camping once or twice a year, but we are always on the road, and so this travel pillow by Wise Owl has come in handy. I love having a pillow on the road. However, I don't usually have space in our car to just bring pillows, but now I can because of this. It's very compact and doesn't take up any space in our car. And while we're driving, if one of us gets tired, we can just whip this baby out and have a nice place to rest our head. It's also really nice just to have in the car if we decide to stop at a park and lay on a blanket. Now I have a nice pillow that I can also rest my head on. So whether I just want to lay there and enjoy some sun and fresh air, or I need to get a little bit of work done, this is very helpful. And again, I can always have it with me in the car. It's very easy to put back in the drawstring bag that it comes in. It definitely takes up all the space, but you can just squish that baby down and you will get it in there. So if you're looking for a really nice pillow to have with you all the time that's compact but still comfortable, this one is perfect. And that's my point of view.